Very good morning, dear students. Today we are starting with an interesting activity, and I'm sure that we will enjoy that activity. So our activity is related to flowers. We have studied that stamens or pistils are the male and female reproductive parts of flowers. So here I'm having some flowers, white, red, pink. Okay, so we are starting this activity. For this activity we require flowers, then a scissor, a plate, needle and a divider like device. If you are having divider, then you will not need this needle and blade. Okay, so let's start. So we will remove all the parts of the flower. While removing, I will tell its name. This is the stalk of the flower. Okay, after that these are the sepals. Then these long are colored are the petals. Inside that a style. Here is the stigma. These are the anther and filament, means the stamen part of the flower, that is the male reproductive part. Now we will remove one by one. So first I am removing the sepals of the flower. These green structures are the sepals of the flower. First we will remove it. You can use divider for this process also. Okay, now sepals are removed. Now we will remove the petals one by one. After removing the petals, you can observe that only this structure is remaining. Okay, so this structure is nothing but it is the main parts of the flower. Now what these parts are? Here ovary, style and stigma. These three are pistil parts, that is the female part of flower. Then these smaller structures you can see, these are the anther and filament, means stamen, the male reproductive part of the flower. So we will remove it all. Now we will cut this ovary. Now for cutting this ovary, we have to cut this style part. Now we will cut it from upper side and open it. When we will open it, you can observe the ovules present in the ovary. In that ovary, what present? The ovules, the smaller structures. So these smaller structures are the ovules present in the ovary. See, these are so smaller structures. If we take out separate, see how they are looking. Yes, I'm putting here. So here these are the small ovules present inside that ovary. Okay, and this is, we have seen the structure of anther and filament. This is anther and this part is filament. Now we'll see another section of ovary. See here, you can observe the ovules in a circular way. Yes, clear picture? Ovules in the circular way. Now this ovary is like this and I have cutted it in middle. So see, very nicely the ovules are arranged in that ovary. All these are the ovules. Only a small white structures, and these are the parts of the flower. These are the parts of the female reproductive structure of flower, that is ovary parts, that is ovules, means parts of pistil. Okay, now what we have seen today? We have seen the dissection of flower. In that we have seen a female reproductive part, that is stigma, style, ovary, ovules. Female reproductive part of flower, that is pistil. and male reproductive part, that is anther and filament. That is the male reproductive part. Here you can observe it clearly. Yes. Hope students you enjoy this activity and try it at your home. But be careful while doing the activity. Thank you children. Have a great day. Now I am sharing some pictures of ovules present in the ovary. See the pictures clearly. Here you can observe in that circular structure the ovules are present in the ovary. Okay. Hope you are understanding. Thank you.